triggers so many wonderful memories. I mean, you look at the buildings and you say, oh yeah, I had a class in there. I had this professor over there. There are a lot of good memories hidden in various corners of the campus.
Seeing everyone has been really great, and then just that feeling of being back on campus and kind of reliving our college years here. This is my husband, Greg. We went back to the classroom where we met.
Such a wonderful campus. I met my wife here. Both my daughters went to Brown. You know, catching up with old friends, walking around the campus. Yeah, it's a very special place.
Like the first moments when you walk into campus dance and the lanterns are lit and there are all of these people, it's like coming home.
Field day was definitely one of our favorite things. It was just so low-key. We saw everyone with their families 20 years later. It's really just cool to see how everybody evolved. The campus looked different a little bit, but still the same in all the right ways. So
yeah, I mean, Field day was basically a huge picnic for everybody, which was like the best thing to be out there on a beautiful day with all of our friends and families. I think Brown for me was my formative years, and it's where I created my long-lasting friendships that will probably last me for the rest of my life.
Obviously come back. It doesn't matter what reunion year it is for you. It's going to be an amazing time. You're going to see friends. You're going to feel like family. Definitely just come back. It's so fun. Every 20 feet, I see someone that I know and that I'm truly overjoyed to see.
That procession has more energy. If you could bottle that, you could go way to the moon.
It's always a great time to look back at the way things were and to look ahead at the way we hope everything will be.